Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ayush.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sanskriti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Bhavya. Good morning, Ilma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kushal. How is everyone doing?
Ma'am, fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Sumit is not connected to audio. What did we do yesterday, beta, in the class?
Ma'am, some facts about the vegetation and about the India's wildlife.
Okay. So let us do some questions today. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
We will do questions of socialism chapter. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So let me share the screen with you all. Huh? Give me a minute. Beta, do you people have any doubts in any of the topics that we have done in our previous classes? Any doubts regarding?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Sure.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, till now, no, ma'am, we don't have doubt.
Have you started revising your chapters?
Yes, ma'am, I've started for socialism.
So we'll do history chapter only today, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Some extra questions till everyone comes to the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Good morning. Sharing the screen with you all. These are some general terms for this chapter which have been used. So I would like you people to do these terms, right? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are the questions clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
There are, in the first question, you have to define the following terms. Do them and share it on the class group. How much time will you take to complete these terms? 5 minutes for 4 terms would be okay. Class? Children, 5 minutes will be okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. As you do them, send it on the class group, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा हो रहा है? Beta, I hope you are doing. Don't fool
Yes,
me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Uh, Start sending, Beta. How many done?
Ma'am, sending.
Okay.
Ma'am, send it.
Checking. Nahi beta, he was not a dictatorship. Ayush, this Lenin is wrong. Okay.
Ma'am, I had also sent.
Just going through beta, going through. See, Ayush, what you have written for Lenin is not appropriate. You can write that Lenin was the leader of Bolshevik party. You can write that Lenin was the socialist leader of Russia. You can say, you can write that Lenin yes, see, in Russia it was Lenin who initiated the revolution, no? So you can write that Lenin was a
Ma'am.
revolutionary. You can write that Lenin was a revolutionary within the Russian Empire, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hanji, someone was saying something. Rest of you also send beta, make it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya, Rashi. See, in your term 2 pattern, you have 8 objective questions also, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Why Aditya Rao has deleted his work? Aditya?
Ma'am, it was half.
Achha, send the full one. ठीक है. You can write that Duma is the Russian consultative parliament. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good, Rashi. Very good. Well done. Okay, Socialist Revolutionary Party. Very good. Make sure that each one of you sends your work, okay? Rashi, well done, beta. Very good. Ayush, remaining ones you send, beta. Aditya, Kushagra, Gautam. Don't be mere sitting.
Yes, ma'am.
dummies in the-
Last is left.
Don't be like dummies in the class. No, those who are not responding, please, beta. When you are attending the class, be active.
Ma'am, I've also sent.
I'll check. ठीक है. Very good. Keep sending. Okay, shall we discuss the answers? Define the following. Class?
Okay, ma'am.
Kushagra Singh Gautam will tell the first answer.
Ma'am, Lenin.
हाँ जी, Kushagra Singh Gautam. नहीं, April thesis. What was April thesis? Kushagra tell. Kushagra. Kushagra, can you see me? Sorry, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, April thesis का definition बताओ. Can we have the cameras on, class? Rehan Ali.
Ma'am, I'm doing my work.
Rehan Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आंसर बताओ. April thesis क्या था? Class, what is this? You need to answer the questions, no? Yes, Aman will tell. Aman,
Ma'am,
yeah.
April thesis.
हाँ.
Ma'am, April thesis are given by Lenin.
हाँ. What was
Ma'am,
this?
he demanded for three things.
Hmm?
That war should be brought to an end.
Very
Ma'am, he
good.
demanded for that
Next.
war should be end
हाँ,
and
Next.
land to be transferred to the peasants.
ठीक है, और
And banks should be nationalized.
all the banks should be nationalized. I hope it is clear to everyone. April thesis
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now then, what was this bidonvuka? What was this bidonvuka? Yes, Aman will tell this answer.
Ma'am, what?
What was budonka?
That I don't know.
Anyone in the class? Ilma, Rehan, Rishabh.
Ma'am, it is a type of hat.
Yes, it was the type of hat which was called as the Soviet hat, right? Right?
Ma'am, we can say it is a broadcloth hat or helmet.
No, not helmet, but it was a hat. See, when the uniform of the soldiers was changed, at that time, this hat was also changed and it was called as the Soviet hat, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Muskan. Now, what was this checker? Rishabh, what was this checker? ऋषभ चेका क्या था बेटा? इल्मा, राशि, सुमित यादव, कुशाग्र गौतम.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
Chika was the Bolshevik security force that is formed by the Vladimir Lenin in December 1917.
Very good. Cheka was the secret police that was, right? It was the secret police, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is cavalry?
What is?
Ma'am, cavalry.
बेटा जो horse, the horse unit, the army of the horses is called as cavalry, right? Right?
Ma'am, it is also the police of Tsar that.
Actually, the soldiers or the army of Tsar which moved on the horses, that was the cavalry, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. जो घोड़ों वाली जो सेना होती है ना, घोड़े की सेना जो होती है उसको हम कैवलरी बोलते हैं बेटा. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Bareilly also has a cavalry unit, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, what was the second international? हाँ जी बेटा, बताओ. The second international.
Ma'am, international organization formed by socialists in Europe.
Very good. It was the international body formed by the socialists to coordinate various activities of the socialists. क्या कर रहे हैं? निकालो. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए नेक्स्ट बताओ. कार्ल मार्क्स. अगर आपको कार्ल मार्क्स को डिफाइन करना हो तो कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे आप कार्ल मार्क्स को?
Ma'am, he was a socialist. That one.
Karl Marx was a,
Ma'am, he was German philosopher.
yes, you can write, he was a German philosopher. Or you can write that Karl Marx was a philosopher who favored socialism, right?
Idea of socialism.
Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is Mir / commune. What was this Mir or commune? What was this Mir or commune, beta? Batao, beta.
Ma'am, self-governing community of peasants households.
Self-governing.
Ma'am, self-governing community of peasants or households that elected its own officials and controlled local forest.
Isme, as per the book, if you will go, it says that the commune was a cooperative community of people in Russia living together and sharing possessions and responsibilities. है ना?
Yes, ma'am, it is a type of community.
See in the book where you have the economy wala part, there only it is written. Okay. Commune.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is Socialist Revolutionary Party. What was this Socialist Revolutionary Party?
Bolshevik.
You will not write only Bolshevik. What will you write? How will you define Socialist Revolutionary Party?
That Bolshevik changed his name in that Socialist Revolutionary Party.
इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो that the Socialist Revolutionary Party they struggled for the peasants' right and demanded that the land should be distributed among the land should be transferred to the peasants. जो nobles के पास जो land होते थे, it should be transferred to the peasants, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Now collectivization.
Yes, ma'am.
What was this collectivization?
Ma'am,
Collectivization.
ma'am, policy adopted by the Soviet government.
Collectivization is what? What did you say?
Ma'am, that combining of land of various farmers, and ma'am, that doing agriculture in collective way.
You can write this collectivization was a program which was initiated and under this people collectively cultivated the land, right?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए और बताइए नेक्स्ट वाला Bolsheviks. How will you define Bolsheviks?
Ma'am, the ruling party of Russia.
Ma'am, the Communist Party of Russia.
It was the Communist Party of Russia, which played an important role in the Russian Revolution. Okay, it was by the Bolsheviks that the Tsar was, Tsar was forced to abdicate. Right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
Yes,
kulaks.
ma'am.
What were kulaks?
Ma'am, rich
Rich
farmer.
farmers.
Russia. Very good. Rich farmers of Russia. Who was Stalin?
ma'am, leader of Bolshevik.
Communist
After that,
leader who introduced collectivization program.
Very good. He was a communist leader who introduced the collectivization program, and somebody was saying that he was the leader of Bolshevik party after the death of Vladimir Lenin. This also you can write as definition, right? Right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Next is Tsar Nicholas II.
Ma'am, former emperor of all Russias.
Former emperor of?
All Russians.
नहीं आप उसको simple लिखो. He was the emperor of Russia before the Russian Revolution. Very simple.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then Duma.
Ma'am, can you tell?
Russian parliament
कुछ
in
आगे
1900.
Russian Parliament, which was created in 1905 for the first time.
Duma was the Russian parliament which was created after 1905 or before 1905.
Ma'am, in 1905.
Very good. Then next is Jaridists. Who were Jaridists?
Ma'am,
Muslim reformers.
Very good. Muslim reformers within the Russian Empire during the period of Tsar Nicholas, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Lenin.
Yes, ma'am.
Lenin.
Leader of
He
Bolshevik
was a
Party.
revolutionary leader of Russia.
Yes, you can write this also. Very good. Very good. Revolutionary leader of Russia who led the Bolshevik revolution, who led revolution by Bolsheviks in Russia to get rid of the monarchy or the monarch Tsar Nicholas II. Right?
Ma'am, first head of USSR.
Lenin. You can write
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
You can write that. You can write that. But I think if you will write that he was a revolutionary who undertook a revolution against the Tsar Nicholas II, that will be more. That would be more appropriate.
Ma'am, ma'am, we write both.
You can write both, but then see the previous
Okay,
one,
ma'am.
which I have explained, that gives more weightage to what Lenin was. See what he became.
Okay,
that
ma'am.
was different, huh? What he became, that was only after his efforts, no. So before what efforts he did, that was something else. That was something which is counted in history. Whatever he did for Russia, later on people got benefited out of that. But then because of his struggle, because of his initiative, he is known in history, isn't it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Who was responsible for achieving equal rights in Italy? Who was responsible for achieving equal rights in Italy? Italy में किसने लड़ाई लड़ी थी for equal rights?
Ma'am, that Giuseppe Mizrachi.
जी बेटा. Giuseppe Mazzini. It was
Yes,
Giuseppe
ma'am.
Mazzini, okay? Okay. Why were the socialists against private property?
Because ma'am, they think that ma'am, private property was the main
Was the main
reason for the problems in society, ma'am.
इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, the socialists were against the private property because they believed that the private property is the main cause of all the social evils in the society. है ना? We can write this as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Or you can say the socialists, they held private property responsible. They held private property responsible for all the ills in the society. Social ills or social evils that were there in the society, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Beta, we will be doing revision like this only now onwards. So for this, for tomorrow also, we will continue with history only. So please be prepared and see, be part of the classroom. No, you are attending the class and sitting silent does not make any sense. Be an active participant, isn't it?
Yes.
Right, class?